Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the square root weighted moving average. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the square root weighted moving average. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 38 different strategies, with 11 of them being winners. We've also tested a total of 465 indicators, with 193 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Also keep in mind that we do test all these strategies and indicators across the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market regardless of the market itself. They're pretty universal, and so crypto or the regular stock market, what have you. So all right, so today's indicator is the square root weighted moving average, and you can see it here on screen. It is a cheat country indicator, and so cheat country is the TradingView member who created this indicator, and so of course, like all of his indicators, he adds this bar coloration to it. I have been told that the viewers do not like that, and so we will go ahead and turn that bar coloration off. And I think what we might do is go ahead and move this down into a pane like that, and then bump up the size, the weight, and make the colors a little bit more vibrant like that. All right, makes it a little bit easier to see, so that way it's not hidden within the price action. But basically the setup is when we get a green line, when the weighted moving average turns green, we are going to go long. When it turns red, we are going to go short, and that's what we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing. All right, so the first signal we got was a short signal. Almost immediately we switched back to a long, and then within just a couple bars, we jump back into a short. So the first two were losing signals there. Then the short that we picked up right there was able to get us to take profit. So let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so almost the same exact setup, except kind of in reverse here. What we got was a long signal right there, then gets stopped out pretty quickly after a couple bars with a short signal, which again, after a couple bars gets stopped out by a long signal there, and that long signal does get us to take profit. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that is going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post almost everyday market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And the patrons love being able to follow along with those trades in their own accounts. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, which we have recently just had that moved over, transferred over into an Excel sheet. And so you'll get an Excel file as well as a PDF file of all the indicators, and it shows exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. You'll also get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. It shows exactly which ones were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review each of those videos. Our admin Rob is posting almost everyday scanner alerts. These are crypto and Forex scanners that he uses, his own personal scanners that he uses to be a profitable trader. As he gets an alert to that scanner, those scanners, he will post those in the channel for all the patrons to see and be able to take advantage of those trading opportunities. And another new thing that we've been doing is one of our members has put together an amazing team of traders, coders, and developers, and together they have created a full suite of optimized profitable indicators that they are giving away to all the patrons of the channel absolutely free. And they are actually working on turning those into bots as well. And once they have accomplished that, they will be offering those to all the patrons of the channel as well. And so there is a lot of great benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, let's take a look at our indicator here. Let's see. It didn't focus here. There. All right, so let's count these out, see what we got. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 27. So we have 27 trades altogether. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 winners. So 11 winners, that's not going to meet the 60% criteria. Now, I'm not really surprised about that because it seems like most moving averages really struggle to meet the 60% criteria that we have set. And so we've tested many indicators at this point, I think, or many moving averages at up to this point. And so I think the most tested indicator by far on the channel has been the moving averages, all different types, shapes of moving averages. And so and I believe that only a couple, maybe 2 or 3, have actually met the 60% criteria. And so it's a little alarming to think about that people are trying to use moving averages as a baseline, quote unquote, as kind of the beginning building blocks of a trading system. And so keep that in mind when you are putting together a strategy or a trading system, that when you are dealing with moving averages or a single oscillating line interacting with price action, something along those lines, that you may not have a lot of success with really optimizing a strategy doing that way. So all right, this one is going to go on the no list, just like so many others, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.